to this area was that all of this part in here was gray. All this part in here is gray. See the gray? This part was dark, so I wanted to see, this is the crater. All this part is white, but this part right here was dark. So I wanted to see what it was, and so I zoomed in, and this is the edge of the crater, and I zoomed in, I kept zooming in until I got to this, which looked like some type of crash vehicle. As you can see, this part is round up in here and circular, and it has a top right here, or it could be some space junk, maybe from United States that fell on the moon. But it definitely, as you can see, all the rest of the rock around is gray. This is the only black object that is there with a round, circular type, cylinder, and going down with a top over here. So it's definitely some type of crash. Basically, it was on the side of this crater that was on Quick Maps. I'll show you the crater. This is the crater. As I zoom back, then you actually see which crater I was in. See, that's the crater. I'll zoom back some more. See, that's the crater there. Okay, that's the crater. So it's a pretty big crater. So I'm going to zoom back in, and it's right there on the edge, right where that arrow's pointing at. And so I just found it kind of, because it was black. It was a black object with the, and it had this circular part. So it looked like a crashed, probably some space junk. But anyway, if you want to look at that, the coordinates on that would be latitude 460083. And let me see, let me get the latitude for you. So if you want to look at that particular piece yourself, you can. Now, latitude is 46.0084 and longitude is 19.9251. And you can look at that crashed UFO or crashed satellite debris. Quick Maps.